Hello students, welcome to the online class. Now here in this class we will going to discuss the questions of lesson number 17, refraction of light. So solutions of D and E part I am giving you through this video. So let us watch. The question number 1, you have to delete question number 1. Okay? The question number 1 you have to delete. Now you have to start with question number 2. That is, explain the term spectrum. Why does a glass prism split white light into its constituent colors? The answer is the splitting up of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion. The patch of colored light obtained due to dispersion through a glass prism on the screen is known as a spectrum. A glass prism splits white light into its constituent colors because of deviation. Different colors of light are deviated by different amounts. Hence, the colors separate out and on emerging from the prism. Now again, question number 3 and 4. You don't have to do question number 3 and 4. Okay. Now come to question number, as well as 5 also you don't have to do. So 1, 4, 5, 7. And include 3 also in this. 3 also is there. Okay? You have to delete these questions. You don't have to do these questions. Now, question number 6. What do you mean by the accommodation of eye? What gives the eye the power of accommodation? The ability of the eye to alter the focal length of its lens so that it can clearly see all objects within a certain range, that is 25 centimeter near point to infinity far point, is called accommodation of eye. Okay. Now 7 questions. No need to do 7. Come to the 8th part. What is meant by persistence of vision? How is this property of the eye used in movie films? Now for this answer, when an image of an object is formed on retina, it stays for about 1/16th of the second. This is called persistence of vision. Moving images that we see on the TV or in the cinema depend on this property of the eye. If successive still images of a moving object, persons or animals are flashed before our eyes at the rate of more than 16 images per second, we would see it as a movie of running of the object, person or animal. Alright. Now come to the E portion. Now in the E portion, you have to delete question number 2. No need to do the second question. So let us start with the first. A coin capped at the bottom of the glass bowl full of water appears to be higher than it actually is. With the help of label diagram, explain why this happens. So the answer will be a coin kept at the bottom of a glass bowl full of water appears to be higher than it actually is. This is because rays of light from any point on the coin refract away from the normal as they emerges from water into air. Water is a denser medium and air is a rarer medium. The rays appear to come from point A dash above A. Thus A dash is the virtual image of A. In the same way, each point of the coin has corresponding virtual image above the original point. Thus the coin appears to be higher than it actually is. Now question number 2 to delete करना है. Question number 3 देखिए. Question number 3 is draw a label diagram of the human eye and answer the following question. From where does light enter inside the eye? Light enters the eye through the cornea. Second, which muscle control the focal length of the eye lens? It is ciliary muscles control the focal length of the eye lens. What is the image? Where is the image formed? Image is formed on the retina. Which nerve sends the image signal to the brain? Optic nerve sends the image to the brain. Okay. Now fourth is the defect of eye, myopia and hypermetropia. So you have to draw the diagram for these defects and the correction. So the answer of fourth question, here it is. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness A person suffering from this defect can see distant objects clearly, but nearby objects appear blunt or blurred. This defect is due to the eye lens being too thin. This defect is rectified by using a convex lens. Okay, so here it is the correction given to you. Here correction is given to you, and this is the correction is given with the help of a convex lens. You can correct your eye. Now, myopia. Myopia is the, you can say myopia a short-sightedness also, because a person suffering from this defect can see nearby objects clearly, but distant objects appear blurred. This defect is due to the eye lens being too thick. Okay, this defect is rectified by using a concave lens. The answer is here, and the diagram of this answer is in the next page. This is the answer. This is the diagram of myopia. Okay, upper one is myopia and lower one is hypermetropia. So we have finished with all the questions of refraction of light also. Thank you so much, students, for watching the video.